With every breath I feel alive. I got a lot, that's why I thrive.
Assalamu alaikum ninjas, welcome back. Your Ninja Muhammad with another review, an epic product in my hands. The most advanced, the most premium, the most expensive gimbal, 3-axis gimbal from FeiyuTech. There's the Feiyu Scorp Pro, guys. Like see myself, it's already in my hand. And in this video, we're gonna try to make it under maybe 10-15 minutes, we see. This is an epic product, guys, and I'm really honored to make a review of this one. It's a monster, it's a transformer of the gimbal. You can see by yourself how good it is. This is a two-handled gimbal, but obviously you can use it also with one hand for more steady shots and more professional shots. Obviously it's gonna always be good to use your two hands. Anyway, so yes, this is up to almost 5 kilos of payload, which is superb. 3-axis, more than 10 hours, 12 hours of battery use, which is insane. You can use it for all day. I mean, who's gonna record for all day? But again, for obviously for 2 or 3 days on travel, that battery capacity is amazing. Anyway, we're gonna talk more about the features throughout this video. Let's go. Okay, this is how the box looks like, guys. The Scorp Pro from FeiyuTech, their most premium, expensive gimbal that they ever made. Anyway, it's heavy. This box is heavy. Obviously, this is a monster of the gimbal. I think this is the most expensive gimbal that I ever reviewed on my channel, guys. Let's go. Beautiful. It comes in packed box. Obviously, this is a rugged box with some small protection of a plastic bag. We're gonna take it out. Woohoo, guys. Plus, we have some Scorp Pro FeiyuTech manuals. Check this out. Oh. Mashallah, mashallah. Check at this monstrous. This is like a transformer, guys, of a gimbal. Oh my god, so many things here in this bag. This bag. Let's check this out. What do we have here? Okay, this is kind of protection. There's probably additional pieces here. Yeah, we have some additional pieces, guys. Beautiful. This is a detachable quick plate. Then we have a long plate there. Beautiful. Some screws and some cables. I think this is the charging cables. Yeah. Ooh, man, a lot of charging cables. Let me just put everything here on the bag outside. I'm gonna take this outside. Very nice bag, man. Very nice bag. I'm loving here what I'm seeing this. Let's check this out. Okay, guys, you have so many cables. Oh my god, Type C. I think this is for. Oh my god, so many different cables. Well, check this out, guys. There's like 10 cables here. What? Type C to multi. They even nicely kind of put them here. You can see myself over here. DC 2.5 millimeter. Very nice of them for even, of course, for us. Type C to Type C CO2 to categorize and to tag all these cables. So many cables, man. I don't remember any gimbal last time that had so many cables included in the box. Here you have additional stuff. There you go. And the long plate. Slide in, slide out. Awesome. Everything from metal, of course. Here we have this gimbal. Insane quality. What a monster. Very heavy, guys, but remember the payload is almost up to 5 kilos. Can you believe that? Almost up to 5 kilos, 4.8 kilos. It has enormous battery, beautiful OLED panel, 1.3 inch touchscreen, guys. Beautiful 1.3 inch touchscreen. This is touchscreen. Can you believe that? My gimbal from Zhiyun didn't have the touchscreen, guys. Very old technology. So like I said here, up to 4.8 kilos of load, super anti-shake, 3 points of memorable follow focuses, detachable suspension handle, and flexible axis arm. Oh my god, this is insane, man. This is such a great beast. I don't know where to start. Check this out. Obviously we have A, B, C here, switch buttons, screws here, lock and lock out, lock in. Yeah, man, all the 3 detachable here, 3-axis gimbal, remember that. Lock option, lock option, lock option. That is crazy, man. And obviously here we have another lock option. You can see myself over here on the right side. Let me just check here on the left here how it looks like. Manual and power button. Yeah, power on, power off. Scorp Pro from FeiyuTech. You can see myself over here, everything. Nice. Very nice. Here we have some charging ports, guys. You can see myself over here. Or to connect it. I hope you can see all of this. Yeah, you probably can see it. Oh my god, this is gonna take some time right now for me to obviously balance this gimbal and everything. I love here the logo, the Scorpio. Check this out. That is also very nice. Ooh, the wheel is very smooth. The wheel is very smooth. I'm telling you. Check this out. It's probably regarding the zoom, panning, power on. Wow, we have power on and option button here also on the sides. Can you believe that? Beautiful. Type-C also on the bottom. Wow, bro, wow. Amazing, 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 amazing. Here we have, check it out. Okay, okay. Screw it in. There's gonna be, okay, we screw in this just regarding the handle. We're gonna screw this down in the different position over here. For sure. We're gonna see how this looks like. Here it is. We're gonna detach this over here. Yeah, it's probably over here. We're gonna see how it looks like. No, this is something else. We're gonna figure out. Nevertheless, this is so far, like I said here, the most premium quality gimbal that I ever got in my hands, guys. Okay, ninjas, so yes, for the end, my impressions regarding this beast in my hands, the FeiyuTech Scorp Pro. This is seriously the most heaviest, the most premiumest gimbal that I reviewed in my life, and this is something superb for pro movie makers for sure, guys. Not video clips, vlogs or something like this. This is for movies. This is obviously the price tag is $700. There are gimbals like much more expensive, but there you have also some gimbals from FeiyuTech which are a bit cheaper. But again, this is their best offer right now. So yes, guys, remember this: the payload is up to 4.8 kilo. It has a small touch screen which is superb. Remember, it has a touch screen here on the back. Beautiful. That's really rare. This is the first time that I'm having a touch screen on a gimbal. I'm having I had Zhiyun gimbals. My own gimbal for DSLR, the 3X gimbal, doesn't have a touch screen, which is, again, it's superb, guys. We have super anti-shake. We have 3 points of memorable follow focus, detachable suspension handle. Remember, this one you can detach it. So if you don't want to use it if you want to have it in a one-hand use, remember this gimbal is a two-hand use gimbal. Of course, for much more steadier shots, more security, especially when you when you hold it with two hands, it's much more, guys, reliable. So yeah, this is it regarding this gimbal. If you want to buy it, the buying links will be in the description. Just disclaimer for the end, I'm not kind of technically into the gimbals. I'm not the best guy to obviously follow for advices regarding the gimbal reviews and everything like that, but I did give you my own impressions. My world is more into the, of course, Android smartphones and tablets and etc. some other gadgets, but gimbals, sometimes maybe in 2-3 months I review one gimbal or so. So I'm not that technically the best guy to obviously do reviews for these gimbals, but I tried myself with this gimbal. Nevertheless, guys, if you want to buy it, the purchasing link will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Peace out.